Hello, so I'm going to make a series of videos showing you how to make your own homemade protein shakes with no supplements at all. Now the benefits for doing this are it's cheaper, you know exactly what's going into it, and you can tailor it exactly how you want it. So if you need additional protein, you can add additional protein. If you're needing more carbohydrate, if you're doing things like marathons or events like that, you can add carbohydrate into it. So it's much more versatile and much better for you than shop bought supplements. Now the three main things that go into it when you're building a homemade protein shake is a liquid, a protein source or two protein sources depending on what you're needing, and a flavour. So today I'm going to do just a basic chocolate flavoured one. So here I've got 300 ml of semi-skimmed milk, and again, because it's very versatile, if you're needing less calories you can just use skimmed milk, or if you need additional calories you could use whole milk. And here there's 100 grams of Greek yogurt, so not Greek style, it's actual Greek yogurt. One raw egg, and it is completely fine to eat a raw egg as long as it's got the line stamp on it, and as long as you're not pregnant. And 3 teaspoons of chocolate Nesquik. Stick that in a blender, or if you've got one of the shaker balls that's got a little mixer in it, put it in that, shake it up, and you're good to go. Here we go. So that shake there contains just under 28 grams of protein, so it's 27.8 grams I think it was. And it's a lot cheaper, you know what's in it, and it is delicious. So I'm going to do a series of these, so there'll be different flavours every week. If you like it, please like the video, please share the video, and please subscribe. Cheers!